Hello. She's a big day today. I got my 64 welding rig in the shop finally, and it's going under the knife today. So where I'm at, this thing's in amazing shape, and I love this truck. It's just so solidly clean. I'll show you there's a little dent right there, but there's almost no rust in this thing. It's super clean. And I've never seen a welding rig that is as complete as this. I have the welder outside, so there was a little bit of cancer in here, and I want to get rid of it. There's a little dent there. I want to get rid of that. And so today, first thing, I removed this door. It's over there. That thing is a 1/4 inch solid steel. That is a little bit of overkill, I'm thinking. And so I torched off these bolts. And here's this side here. Now I'm going to cut this one off too. But I want a video of sort of as I go along, and this vise flips up. So then it's out of the way, and 2 gin poles go up here, so you got a crane with the PTO up front. And then the welder would live here, and the guy had a pan that slid underneath it, and so you could just slide the pan out and change the oil in the welder without any kind of a pain in the ass. Like, he was really quite brilliant. Lights, there was an apron up top that came here so that you could hang your tarps and stuff on it. That's a speaker, so you had tunes in that. And yeah, so I'm going to cut this lid off. I'm going to cut off the rest of those bolts under there, and hopefully then we should be able to lift her up on the hoist and separate this deck from the truck. But it is bolted on to all hell. Like, holy cow, he really did not want this thing going anywhere. So that's what I'm into. I gotta do this side too. But the whole rest of the truck is just perfect. Oh, hoist is sort of in the way there. Cool piece of history here. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Oh, that tank has been a fight, but we almost got it. I think this is the last leg of it coming out. Yes! Sweet! Okay, I just gotta wrestle this thing out. Oh, I barely have to wrestle it at all. Okay, I'm gonna just move this and then I'll be back. Well, good morning. Yesterday was a big day in the life of Bert. She's under the knife. So the deck came off yesterday. It's in good shape. Frame's really healthy. And the deck is on the lift. This was actually a bugger to get off. This was really well built. These plates are like 100 pounds each. quarter-inch steel. And then this back bumper is I-beam that he's bent and then boxed in. Crazily overbuilt. You could run into that with a machine and you'd never move the back of this thing. So we got her off. So today's goal, I think, is to get the cab. I want to get the cab off, loosened off, and roll the chassis out from underneath it, so that I can paint everything. And I'm not sure where we're going to go with this, but I think this is going to become a four-wheel drive Cummins swap. I think that's where we're going with it.